In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set sheet scale ratio in AutoCAD. This quick walkthrough will show you how to make sure your drawing on paper matches the real-world size you expect, using the layout, the viewport, and the standard scale settings. First, navigate to the Layout tab, also known as Paper Space, where your title block lives. Layout is where you compose the sheet that will be plotted, so it's important to be in this environment rather than model space. You'll see the title block and one or more viewports that show portions of your model. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct sheet so you don't change the scale on the wrong page. Next, select the viewport whose scale you want to change. You can do this by double-clicking inside the viewport boundary to activate it, or by clicking the viewport and checking the Properties palette. When the viewport is active, it accepts scale settings that control how the model geometry is mapped to the paper. If you're using the Properties palette, look for the viewport object and confirm its current scale setting is accessible. Double-clicking inside the viewport is the simplest way to make it active before you adjust the scale. Now choose the scale. Look for the Standard Scale dropdown, which is often found near the bottom status bar or within the Properties palette when the viewport is selected. The dropdown contains common options like 150 or 100, which are ideal for most architectural and engineering sheets. Simply pick the desired standard scale and the viewport will update immediately. If you need a custom ratio, type the numeric scale value into the scale field. For example, AutoCAD sometimes accepts a decimal representation where 0.01 corresponds to 100. To understand that conversion, think of it as 10 millimeters on paper representing 1000 millimeters in the model, which simplifies to the decimal 0.01. Enter your custom value carefully and watch the viewport adjust to reflect the new relationship between model units and paper units. Finally, take a quick look to make sure annotations and dimensions read correctly at the new scale. The visual change should be immediate in Paperspace. If everything looks right, you're set to continue composing your sheet or sending it to print. With these three simple actions, go to Layout, select the viewport, and choose your scale. You can reliably control how your model appears on the final sheet.